Hey guys, what's up everybody? Today we want to take an example of how to configure the configuration for security using ASP.NET. So first thing I need you to do is just go here and create a new folder, add folder, and let me just secure. This is folder will be we implement some security on this folder. So not everybody can access this. So let me see, this is the page. So if you just try to go this page, say hello. If you want to try to run this page, okay, we can run it, and you can see hello here. So how you can add some security, some restriction to the user that can be allowed to use this web page. So first thing, go project, from project go ASP.NET configuration. Okay, go security. As you can see here, we got security. We don't have any user in the system. Create, you can go to create a new user. Just click on that. Need to specify the name, EST, and name it EST at AST. Okay, you can create a user, but we need to put more numbers for password. AST, let me just be cool. AST. Create the user. Okay, we successfully created the user. Back to security, we got one user. We don't have any rules, so we need to enable the rules. Okay, so enable rules, create or manage rules. New name, let me see, admin, for example. Oh man, what is going on here? Admin. Add rule. We got the rule here. We can manage this. We can search for all the users. I think it's AST. We got AST. So select the user. So we selected that user and enroll that user in this role. So back to security, you can go manage. So ASD is involved in this security rule. You can go manage users. We got this user. You can see, you can edit the rule. We can see this user is admin, is enrolled in admin rules. So we cool. Can edit the user, you can do a lot of stuff there, but this is not the case. So after adding the user, after adding the rules, we need to define the access control or the access rule for that user. So you can go create access rules. Just click on that. We need to specify the folder. Okay, just try and minimize all the stuff over here. This is the folder that we have. This is the folder, secure. The rule is we could just only have one rule, and we need to specify the user. We can search for user. We need to select AST because we just want to put the restriction on who is that user is allowed to. Okay, choose the user, AST. Allow, we need to allow that user. Click OK. We can manage access rules. As you can see here, ASD is allowed to use that folder. And you can notice that all the users also are enabled to access that rule, to access that file, that folder in the website. So we need to restrict all the user. We need to add a new rule. So just go add new rules, a new access rule, admin. We can see admin. We want to prevent all the user, so but we must select the folder, secure all the user. We need to deny all the user. Okay, that's cool. Click OK. Now we can see that all the users are disallowed from accessing that rule. You can add a new access rule, but we done now. You can go back in the track. You can manage access rules. You can see here, you can check all that stuff. Okay, you can select authentication type. We got two type of authentication, from internet, from local network, And generally in ASP.NET application we have two types of authentication. The first one is the form, and the other one is the Windows authentication. I'll show you how in the next few minutes. So just start debugging. As you can see here, we cannot access the page here. We got page, okay, that's cool. If you want to try to run that, if you want to access that page, you will never access that page because we define an access control. So in order to access that control, you need to log in the system. So suppose that I want to book anything and log in, I cannot, because I should log in with the username AST and log in to the system. Okay, come on, password is incorrect. Okay, AST log in to the system. Maybe let me check what is going on here. So again, let me try to log into the system. ASD again, we want to access the page, but we got some restriction that we should be logged in as a ASD or as an admin here. So just try log in. So here we go, we logged into the system. We can access this page. This is the first type of this is a security, an access control that you specified it. There's other way for controlling the system. For example, when we go to login, this is called the authentication or form authentication. So as you can say here, I cannot because I got some form authentication. There's other method that you can use it for authentication. You can do that. Go to properties. From properties, go to web. Go down below. You got an NTLM authentication. You can select that and save all the changes. Try run that. This is called the Windows authentication. As you can see here, we got this message. We cannot log in into the system until we put the username and the password for the system that we use. So try login. You cannot go to that page. If you want to try to book cancel, the same thing. You need to put the username and password of this is called Windows authentication. This is a very used in internet rather than extranet, because in extranet and internet we use the form authentication more widely. So this is what I want to talk about security. We talked about Windows authentication, form authentication, and also we talked about how to configure ASP configuration, access control, define rules, something like that. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial about ASP.NET and other stuff. Thank you.